Hello, Rob Kahn here from Image360 York, Pennsylvania, located at 2260 Industrial Highway. As you can see behind here, we have a tractor that we're getting ready to wrap for a customer that's going to be going around the country to different shows and showing this tractor off for some special events that he has. Let's take a look at the graphics that we're putting on here. Take a look at our guys installing it. If you have something special that you need to get wrapped, give Image360 a call here at 717-757-4909. That we wrapped here for Paul's Property Management here. They're going to be taking this to different shows and showing it around the country here. As you can see, we wrapped the front here with the American flag and the bald eagle, as well as the back portion, and also wrapped the roll cage here. If you're looking for a custom wrap for one of your vehicles, give Image360 a call here at 717-757-4909, or check us out on the web at www.york.com. Thank you and have a great day.
Jen and everybody at Image360. This vent track turned out amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. This is going to be on display across the country at different dealers. So it's kind of an unprecedented thing, and Ventrac stood behind it. They're a fantastic company. We got some cards. There's a big show down there this weekend. If anybody wants to stop down, come see it on display. Again, our hat is off to you. It looks fantastic. It looks amazing, and we're super excited. Thanks.